Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today we have some exciting news to share with you all. Nvidia's new lineup of free AI courses specifically designed for beginners, and we're here to give you a sneak peek. Now, let's jump into these amazing courses offered by Nvidia. Here are the top 5 you don't want to miss. 1. Generative AI Explained. This course provides a solid foundation in generative AI, a fascinating area that allows computers to create entirely new content, like images, text, or even music. 2. Building a Brain in 10 Minutes. This intriguing title introduces you to the core concepts of neural networks, the building blocks of AI, in a fun and approachable way. 3. Augment your LLM with Retrieval. Augmented Generation. Provide a high-level overview of retrieval augmented generation and how it improves generative AI, Gen AI. This course explores a cutting-edge technique called Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG, that combines large language models with powerful search capabilities. 4. Building RAG agents with LLMs. Take your understanding of RAG a step further by learning how to build your own RAG agents, combining the strengths of search and language models. 5. Accelerate data science workflows with zero code changes. If you're new to coding, this course is perfect. Discover how to leverage Nvidia tools to streamline your data science workflows without writing a single line of code. For those interested in exploring further, Nvidia offers a wider range of AI courses beyond these beginner-friendly options. Check out their deep learning online courses on their website. Thanks for joining me in this exploration of Nvidia's free AI courses. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.